Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for Dell. First of all, I got this cute. I still have to get more. This is just for my mom. Or yeah, I think. So yeah, that's cute. This one. And this should be my plan. This room is the cleanest thing in the world, so I'm gonna build in my Dell's chemistry. Okay. Got a bit of ice cream. Set. Skip. Oops, sorry. Not used to this. Red, I think. Red. No, it's brown, sorry. Brown. Blue. Yellow, or orange, yellow, purple. Red. Green. And white. Yeah. So, that's what I got for my Dell. And I got the iPad. So, I wish I could show you guys it. I don't know, I can't. I'll show you a different day.